Hi, this is Andrea again, and over the last week or so, a few of my coaching clients have been discussing a particular topic with me, and so it's on my mind and I wanted to share it with you. And the point is that in order for the law of attraction to really work for you the way that you want it to, you have to put yourself first. And so in this quick video, I wanted to explain why that is and hopefully encourage you to put yourself first more than you have been doing so far. All right, so here's the thing. Putting yourself first is absolutely critical with the law of attraction, because when we put ourselves second, reality around us forms to show us that we come second. And also, when we put ourselves second, we benefit no one. Please, I'm going to repeat that again. When we put ourselves second, we benefit no one. And some people will disagree with that, and that's okay. But here's the logic behind that. The only benefit we are to anybody comes from when we are in a connected state. When you are happy, when you are kind, when you're feeling good, when you're feeling uplifted, you are of service to every single person that you meet. You're nicer to them, you're naturally more helpful, you're more inspirational. When you put yourself second, when you put your needs at a disadvantage, what always happens is you lower your vibrational state, okay? So if you're skipping a meal, or if you're not getting sleep, or if you're just letting somebody do something that you don't really want them to do, instead of doing what you want to do, you're always in that process of marginalizing, compromising your vibrational state, putting yourself second. And so what ends up happening is you start operating from a lower paradigm. And when you're not feeling so good, even if you're holding those feelings in and trying not to let it show, everyone that you interact with is not going to be benefited by you because you feel like crap. And when we feel like crap, we're of no benefit to anyone. And I'm sure you understand that. You know what it's like to be around people who are positive and uplifting, and what it's like to be around people who are in a bad mood. It's very, very obvious. Well, when we put ourselves second, we put ourselves into being those people in a bad mood. Even if we're pretending to smile, even if we're trying to cover it up, we still at the root of us have that vibrational essence of being irritated or being annoyed or being upset or being frustrated. And that's toxic to everyone around us, right? So it's always important to put yourself first, not just for yourself, but for everybody else. But also when it just comes to the law of attraction, it's extremely important, because if you want to create your highest reality, if you want to align with the reality that you really enjoy, what you really want to be is the star of your own show, right? You want the things that you want to have good friends, you want people to treat you nice, you want to feel abundant, you want to have lots of options, you want to have lots of freedom, you want life to treat you like it's your own personal concierge. Well, if that's what you want from life, then you have to start treating yourself as if you're number one, that you are the VIP, that you are the star of the show. And that doesn't mean knocking other people down, of course. What it does mean, however, is always be asking yourself, well, what do you need? How can I help you? How can I benefit you? What's best for me? What's healthiest for me? What's kindest for me? And always acting on that impulse, because that makes you number one in your own mind. And if you're number one in your own mind, your reality is going to reflect that back to you, and your reality is going to be very kind to you. And also, like I mentioned before, when you're number one in your own mind, you're in a good feeling place. You radiate happiness, you radiate joy, and that's a benefit to everybody that you meet.